Hi, thanks so much for stopping by. This is Delight, and I'm here to tell you just a little bit more about myself today. I am a natural-born entrepreneur and a natural-born animal lover, and I love nurturing things, whether it's in nature, whether it's animals, or whether it's business. So I wanted to introduce you to a couple of my friends. This is Biscuit. Biscuit's 11 and a half years old, and she was my first rescue dog. She's my old girlfriend. And this is Wookie, and he also was adopted from a family that couldn't keep him. And Wookie is 4 years old, and he's very camera shy, a lot like me. So anyway, since I was about 10 years old, I've been starting businesses and building them. Back in those days, I gathered all of the neighborhood kids and formed them into a little theater group, and we would make shows with props and costumes and show curtains and everything. And then we would put these shows on, and we would hand out flyers to all the neighbors, and we would charge just a little tiny bit. I mean, heck, that was what, back in the early 60s, I think we charged 50 cents to come in, and then we would all split up the money, and we had a blast doing that. So that was my first business venture. And now I'm a writer, I'm a marketer, and I love putting 100% into every single thing I do, whether it's my business or writing for your business. And currently I live in Bullhead City, Arizona. Soon I'm moving back to my beloved Flagstaff, Arizona, with lots and lots and lots and lots of pine trees. So I'm going to enjoy that. You're going to get to watch me throughout the move process, so sometimes you might see me in a bandana with no makeup, oh my gosh, and you know, with sitting on piles of boxes. It's going to be quite an interesting achievement to work and move and be in the Ewing Star Video Challenge. But basically, I just want to share that I love life and putting myself into everything that I do 100%. And so that's it. Just a little peek through the keyhole into the life of Delight. Thanks so much for stopping by. This is Dee and Wookie and Biscuit, and we're signing off now.